trying to warn me, buddy? There's a scary thing outside. Hi, I know it's scary. I love you, buddy. Thank you for warning me. If you guys make it to the end, I'll show you what he's barking at. Hi. You don't like it, buddy? I know. You want me to move it? I'm gonna move the scary thing? Look at the scary thing. The scary thing still. Oh, because it's shining. I'll move the scary thing. My Pokemon is making noise. Who's a good boy? Who's a good boy? You're protecting the house. Yes, look at that stance. He is like, oh, yeah, buddy. It's okay. I'll move the scary thing. I'll move the scary thing. I'll move the scary thing. All right, you guys are gonna be in shock. Don't get scared of the scary thing. Hopefully you guys can see it. Hold on. I threw away all his, the old bins. So the garbage can has the top up. And from the house, he's looking at it and it doesn't recognize it. And when the cars come, the lights hits it and shines. And I'm gonna move it for him. Okay. Scary thing gone. Hi. The scary thing is gone now. The scary thing is gone. Yes, the scary thing is gone. I took care of the scary thing. I took care of the scary thing. You better? You better now? I was always safe, buddy. The scary thing wasn't gonna get me. And it's not a family of the twig. See? All it took was moving the garbage can 10 feet. Maybe 15. And now he's happy and calm. He wasn't having that garbage can. It's like the sign when Loki saw the sign in front of the house. Same concept. He was running back to the house and coming back. I protected you from the evil garbage can. Yes, my love. Yes, my love. Oh. Oh, who's a good boy? Look at the tail. Look at the tail. It's okay, buddy. My Pokemon was freaking out. My Pokemon barked. Good boy. See? That's all it took. You got to stop destroying the litter boxes. I want to throw them away like that. Mm-hmm. He was not having it. You better now? Yeah, he's much better now. If you don't behave, I'll put the garbage can out there again. Who's a good boy? Who's a good boy? Who's a good boy? Who's a good little Pokemon? Who's a good Pokemon? Yes, you are. I love your tail. My Pokemon has a tail. He's a good Pokemon. Yeah. Yeah. And you got the peach. Hi, buddy. There's that tail. Alright, hopefully everybody enjoyed the Pokemon barking. Right, buddy? Who's a good boy? Who's a good boy? You are. Where's the microphone of this thing? Okay. Who's a good boy? Okay, we good? See? You stopped barking. Good boy. I love you, buddy.